A lot of people are curious about whether they can trust Bifrost Wallet with their private keys. It's a valid question, and the answer is rooted in a fundamental concept of crypto wallets. Bifrost Wallet is what's known as a non-custodial wallet. This means you, and only you, have full control over your private keys. The wallet itself doesn't store your keys on its servers. Instead, they are encrypted and stored directly on your device, whether that's an iOS or Android phone. This is a crucial distinction. When you set up Bifrost Wallet, you're given a recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. The wallet uses this phrase to generate and manage all the private keys for the different cryptocurrencies you hold. The app's design prevents your private keys from being exposed to the outside world. They are never sent to Bifrost servers. This model eliminates the risk of a centralized hack where an attacker could steal millions of users' keys from a single point of failure, which has happened with custodial wallets in the past. It's the difference between keeping your cash in a personal, locked safe that only you have the key to, versus leaving it with a bank that could be robbed. This security model places a huge amount of responsibility on you. Since Bifrost Wallet doesn't have a record of your keys, they can't help you recover your wallet if you lose your recovery phrase. If your phone is lost or damaged and you don't have that phrase, your funds are gone forever. So, while you can absolutely trust Bifrost with the technical security of your private keys on the app, the ultimate trust is in yourself. You must secure your recovery phrase and keep it offline, in a safe place where no one else can find it. Never take a picture of it, store it in a note on your phone, or share it with anyone. In the end, Bifrost Wallet is built on the principle of your keys, your crypto. It provides the tool, but you are the guardian.